Hey you guys, today we are working with Love Me Hair on this beautiful, beautiful glueless unit. It is their all day curl hold unit that is known to hold the curl for up to 8 to 12 hours. You do get a band in your box as well as the overnight rollers. I was really excited for those. And this is the wig inside of the box. Right out the pack, it was absolutely amazing. Already pre-curled for your liking. And as you can see, it is glueless. You do get a little clip in the back, and then there is a like bra strap band attached in the back to allow you to adjust to your liking. So I really, really like that. And as you can see right out of the pack, I really couldn't be disappointed. Like there was literally nothing to do. I mean, I can just put a little bit of makeup on the lace and call it a day. This is exactly how you're expected to get your wig right out of the pack. I love working with Love Me because their laces are always very thin, very easy to work with. And so as you can see, like this is me adjusting the back. I'm gonna put it on the last setting so that it can fit my head a little bit better. Other than that, like, girl, just look at it. It's absolutely amazing. I did use a little bit of lace spray and just look at the melt, girl. I only had the band on for like 5 minutes. Just look at how flawless this hairline is. I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to tweeze. The hairline, it literally looks like my hair. I love how natural and thin the lace is. It's beautiful. This hair uses a very advanced technique called cuticle alignment. So every single strand in the hair, we're talking tens and thousands of strands, are adjusted to face the exact same direction. That really helps in giving these curls a lasting feel. Like I said, right out of the package, the hair was already curled. And then as you see in the video, I'm also going to curl the hair, which is really, really going to make a difference to just how bouncy and juicy this hair can get. Have you ever wondered why some hair looks shiny and healthy and some look dry and freezy even after styling? It boils down to many, many things, but this hair is sourced specifically from Southeast Asia. And so, with that being said, you are getting the most healthiest strand of hair available. You're also getting salon level hair protection process. The way the hair is cleaned and treated, instead of harsh alkaline washing, the hair goes through a mild acidic cleaning process, which is much closer to the natural pH of our human hair. Even though the water is used drinking grade purified water, it's really what makes a difference in allowing these cuticles to align the right way so that your curls can really last as it should. I'm getting ready to start curling the pieces now, and you will just see how amazing these curls pop. I do think it's important that you frame your face. The front bangs were a little too long for my liking, so I just played with the front to cut it to my liking. And it's always easier to cut your hair when it's already pre-curled. So shout out to Love Me Hair for that. Seriously, like you really don't have to do anything to be honest. Like you can just take it on right out the box and go on your merry way. But I'm just gonna do some tweaking there. I did put the hot comb on the end so that we can go ahead and make it more flat at the top. But really, other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and recurl these pieces and just show you guys the final look. This all day curl technique is meant to revert your curls back after 8 to 10 hours, and it's primarily due to the high quality virgin human hair that's in this wig. Hair quality grading in the system used to evaluate the condition, durability, and overall value of human hair used for wigs, extensions, and hair systems. The first factor in hair grading is origin and processing, and the highest quality hair is typically virgin hair. So that means it's never been chemically treated, dyed, or processed. Another critical element is cuticle integrity. Like I mentioned earlier, the cuticles on this wig all align the same way. And so that's really common with premium hair extensions, where all the strands are collected in the same direction so that the curls last much longer. Hair thickness and strand consistency also play a major role in grading. High grade hair maintains consistent diameter from root to tip, offering fullness from top to bottom. Most reputable suppliers like Love Me Hair go through extreme sourcing to ensure that their wigs are made the best. And so, of course, that includes important professional grading, select, sort, and sanitize hair to ensure that you get a good wig. Of course, understanding all these key grading elements, it can allow professionals to accurately identify high quality hair and deliver the best results for you and your wigs. So I'm using some hairspray to go ahead and spray down the curls. This is the overall look of all the new curls that I put in, and just look at how bouncy and juicy these curls are. I absolutely love how this is turning out so far. I'm going to lightly finger comb the curls out. I didn't want to use a comb, and just look at how fluffy and beautiful these curls look. I was overall extremely impressed. And I'm saying this now since I've had the wig on for about 12 hours. These curls are still very much alive in my hair. So they were not playing when it comes to this all day curl hold, baby. This hair is gorgeous. I love this hair. I love the length too. I think it's such a sexy length. It's for the grown and sexy for sure. I just love it. Love how everything looks. If you're someone that style your wigs often, of course, or you care about curls and longevity and the very natural feel, this wig is 100% worth it, girl. This is the true logic behind the all day curl hold wig quality. And just know if you are interested in one, that all the information will be linked down below in the description box. I really recommend this unit, you guys. So make sure you guys take advantage. And once again, I want to thank you so much for watching another video. This is truly the end of the video. And like I said, from all angles, this hair is holding up beautifully. I just love how everything turned out. So let me know your thoughts below. Will you be rocking one? Is this something that you're looking for? I absolutely love the aesthetic behind this wig and how they curated this for the everyday woman. I just think it's a perfect wig for those. So make sure you take advantage. Check out the description box below. Once again, thank you so much for watching another video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave all your comments down below. If you have any other questions or concerns, you know where to go, girl. And until next time, I will see you later.